color's so nice. Can I just put this right?
You can put it there.
But they don't.
I will put these.
Yeah, I can take it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is what Dr. Osmond breeds. Look how amazing. They're so pretty. Look at this. Here's a big fat drone. And we know drones are male bees and they don't have stingers. And they're very cute, but look at this. Does this look like you could be afraid of these? They're beautiful.
Yeah, cordons. And let's see the honey.
So this box is 2 deeps and 3 mediums, which is a lot. And this is a completely beautiful frame of nectar and honey made by these
Can you
sweet
smell
bees.
the honey?
Ah, I want to take a bath in that. Let me see if I can pick up a little fat drone.
Yeah, you can.
Look how cute he is. That's the kind of bees you want for beekeeping. And actually, if you get a Cordovan queen that has mated with Cordovans and you get an Africanized hive and put that queen in there, this is the kind of bees you'll get. And we're going to learn about doing that.
How to inseminate the queen.
How to inseminate, artificially inseminate a queen. Look at that. Those are beautiful. So sweet. Look at this. Look, is anybody afraid of these bees? No way. Look at that. They're like wonderful. Sweet. These are what you need in your backyard. These are backyard bees.
Exactly.
Definitely backyard bees. And they're good producers too. So it's the best of everything here. Look at that. How many bees do you think are in this hive? Like 50,000?
No, much more.
70,000?
80.
80,000 bees in this. Wow. That's amazing.
And then you can pet them.
These would be great for kids to learn beekeeping. Really. And were these from a queen that you artificially inseminated?
Yes.
From...
This is my breeder colony.
Okay, your breeder colony.
Yep. I have several breeders, not just one.
Yeah, there's a lot of hives out here. Wow. Well, I'm going to learn a lot today.
Do you want to go all the way down? No.
Nah. We're just picking off drones. Huh? Try to do it while I'm looking in the camera. I'm putting them in this container. Let's see. This one. Stick it in there. Grab another one. Anyway, that's basically what we're doing. Grabbing these big fatzos and putting them here. Okay. Wow, it's amazing. Yeah, so that's the semen sac.
Yep.
Wow.
4.
4 drones.
You put her here. Are you with you?
Yeah.
Okay. And then put this back. She will walk back.
What makes her walk back? Just trying to get out?
Yeah. She tried first, this side.
Oh, look at that.
Oops. She's trying to escape.
Okay, and then you just gently push her up.
Yep.
So that her abdomen's sticking up. I'll go over here.
Now I will open the sting chamber.
Or open the what?
Sting chamber or the vagina.
Okay. So carefully.
Yep. And actually, I don't know if you can put the camera here and see. You can look at it.
Okay, I'll do this and then I'll look.
It's not complete yet.
Oh, that is so cool.
Okay. I will.
Here, let me do this.
I will grab the stinger and pull the stinger. Let me do that first.
Oh, okay. You pull the stinger
Yes.
with a little needle thing.
Now I will hold this, pull the stinger a little bit this way. There are many ways of doing this. I don't have to use this.
Did you get it?
Now, yeah. Pull the stinger. Now you can take a picture. Wow. Or from there.
Oh yeah, let's get back. It's hard to go there. Ah. I have to go look that. Over there. It's hard to see there. Sorry. Where's the stinger?
Stinger is on the right. Can you see? You look at it from the microscope.
Oh, you grabbed the stinger with those.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's amazing. Wow.
Okay. Now I will push it a little bit down. And the semen is here.
Mm-hmm. From 7 drones?
Yes, from 7 drones. And I inserted the syringe.
Uh-huh.
You can look at it.
Oh, yeah. That is amazing.
Okay. Then I will inject the sperm. Can you see how it is going?
Mm-hmm.
And you can either take a look at from there.
Yes. Is there a maximum amount that you could use?
10, 12.
Okay.
Let me see. I think it's all in, right?
Mm-hmm. There's that one little
Oh,
bit
yeah.
on a bubble or something.
Yeah, I inject all of that. Okay.
And if you get saline in there, does it
No, it
make a
doesn't.
difference? Okay, so you got it all.
Yep.
That is amazing.
Then you touch the mucus.
Oh,
If you touch mucus, it will
that's what I did
coordinate.
then.
Yes.
So I should squirt it back out?
Yes.
Okay. And then what?